everyone! Today we will be making a fun and delicious cocoa rice. Chocolate stirred into rice and coconut milk make a comforting treat. A traditional breakfast dish, but it can also be a delicious dessert if served chilled. For this recipe, you will need 5 ingredients. We'll start with 1 cup of brown rice. You will need 4 cups of water, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's get started. In a medium saucepan, add rice to boiling water. Cover and reduce heat. Simmer for about 50 minutes, stirring occasionally. When rice is soft, add cocoa powder, coconut milk, and brown sugar. Combine all together, cover, and let simmer for about 5 more minutes. Transfer your cocoa rice into small bowls. Serve warm. Enjoy!